costs.
We lost our... Oh, no, he got them. He almost did it.
Oh, my pot usage just got fucked up.
Beware. Get those fellows peppered.
Bag right by the thing.
On the left side, the focus should be Feldspar. The cleave will kill the fucking guard just fine. Leave Feldspar as low as possible.
Beware.
Add him down. Now the focus is the bellows. Both sides kill your bellows. Get the bombs to the sides.
What the fuck is it? Oh, primal thingy.
More damage on this bellow.
Beware.
Get all bombs and regulators as fast as possible. Don't fill each other up. Alright, move back to fucking the skull. Everyone's on Feldspar. He has a lot of health because that was relatively quick. Tanks, make sure as soon as he's in a fucking protective circle, he gets moved out of it. Everyone big AoE, bring them all down. Get out of bombs. Don't pick them up. Just let them fucking blow up and get away from them. Everyone needs to be focused Feldspar, cleaving the rest down.
Beware.
Don't kill that slag element. We're using that one. Whoever that's on, if possible, can you take it over?
It's on.
Beware.
Finish fell. All the way. Now he's gonna get fucking healed. Alright, kill the only slag elemental that's alive. And then go on the primal elementalist. Bring it down. Full damage on this fucking elementalist. Kill it in one. Let's go.
Beware.
Fucking everyone. Everyone should have a fucking cooldown for each one. Kill the fuck out of this thing.
Beware.
Come on. Executes. Bring it down. Good fucking job. Alright, let's clean up real quick. We got one set of ads. Get this fire color's dead. Get a slag element on the next one.
Already got one over here.
Get this fucking other fire color down.
Beware.
Alright, everyone's on the skull. If it's close enough, just no one interrupt it. Make sure it doesn't run away. Back away from it. If you're melee, it's gonna blow up. And everyone on the primal elementalist. Let's go.
Beware.
Somebody go ahead and start making their slag elemental over.
No, everyone should be fucking focusing on the elementalist. If you're doing something else, you're not focusing on the fucking elementalist. Kill this fucking thing.
5, 4, 3,
Fuck, heal them.
2,
Beware.
1.
Alright, we need another slag element on this one.
Thing keeps taunting me, so I don't know what it is.
Kill the skull. Everyone's on the skull.
Beware.
We need to get this one down that we can clear up the fire collars. If not, they're going to heal it. Everyone's on the primal elementalist right now. Finish it off. 30%.
Beware.
Come on, bring it down. Good job. Get these fire callers dead. Get a slag element over the next elementalist. Bring down the security. Good dots on him. They're in shields. They're in shields.
Beware.
Damn it.
Alright, everyone on the slag element is about to die. Alright, Primal Elementalist is vulnerable right now. Everyone on it. Everyone on this Elementalist. If your AoE affects your DPS at all for your single target, make sure you're not fucking doing it.
Beware.
Come on, it's gonna be close. Get it dead. Let's go. All finishing moves. Bring it down. Good job. Alright, we need to clean these ads up. Get the fire collars dead. Make sure you have a cooldown for this fucking last one. You got security guards running around.
Beware.
We're gonna clear these ads up fast so we can spawn people.
3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Alright, we're gonna finish this last one off. We'll kill the ads with the fucking bloodlust. Everyone on the skull elementalist. Get ready for the elementalist. What's up? There's bloodlust. Bring this elementalist down and lots of fucking AoE. Everything you got. We need to clean up as many ads as possible.
Watch the fire.
Alright, it's dead. We need lots of AoE. Bring these ads down once the boss comes out. Everyone tanks to bring it up to the boss. Everyone needs to get in a far back X. Everyone move right now. No one's got fucking ads on it. Everyone move all the way back. If you have melt, you need to go fucking away from everyone else in the back. Alright, move up. Bosses. You done positioning? Alright, everyone come stack up. Right on the fucking boss's ass. If you have melt, you run back to the back of the room.
Beware.
The slag elements don't hit that hard, don't worry about them. Just make sure melt does not go in front of the fucking boss.
Beware.
When this fucking slag element blows up, try to move a little bit away from it. They don't need to move yet. We still got plenty of room back here.
Stay stacked on Star.
If you're range, you need to move up. Everyone should be on his ass together. We're gonna melt under us. Move forward, move forward. Someone dropped a melt directly under us. Exactly what I'm fucking talking about, what not to do. Keep going, keep going. Alright, you're good.
Stack on Star.
If you have melt, you need to take it as far back as possible. If we run out of room, we fucking lose. It's that simple. Like that melt in the fucking corner right there is exactly what I'm fucking talking about, what not to do. Whoever did that is a fucking poster boy for stupid decisions. Hawk, if you have melt,
Beware.
alright, pull in. Go to moon. Stop at moon.
Beware.
Fucking kill this guy, keep the tanks up. Block cookies, everything you guys got, everybody.
Move them up.
Moving. Take him all the way to square. Give us plenty of room back here. Bring him down.
Oh
Good
my
job,
god.
guys.
Gold. Yay.